In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok screen time and all the data from this screen time. And what you're going to do for this is you're going to your profile section. From here, you click on the top right, three stripes. You click on settings and privacy. In here, we scroll down all the way to activity center. We click on this. And when we scroll down again, we will see, not scroll down, we see immediately our screen time data, and we can select the option see all screen time data. We click on this. And as you can see, we have our data in here. We can see the hours that you have spent on TikTok. You can also see how many times you have opened TikTok. So this is per week. You can also select it to different weeks. So that's really handy. And you can also make TikTok give you screen time updates weekly in your inbox. You can decide if you want notified if you reach your time on TikTok. So you can set a daily screen time. You can be reminded to take breaks from scrolling, and you can get reminded about your sleep time. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.